Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by confirming the app exists and then locate it fast. First, make sure Apple Music is installed and up to date. Updates fix missing icon quirks. Next, swipe left until you reach the app library and use the search field at the top. Once done, type music or scroll through the categories to find the music icon. This is where you'll grab it back to the home screen, so don't skip finding the exact icon. Now move the app where you want it. Press and hold the music icon. If you see a menu, tap Add to Home Screen. Alternatively, keep holding until the icons jiggle, then drag music out of the app library onto a home page. While dragging, navigate between pages by sliding to the edge, position it in a convenient spot, and lift your finger to drop it. Make sure the icon isn't inside a folder unless you want it grouped. Organization matters for quick access. Finish by locking the placement and checking visibility. Tap Done or use your home gesture to exit jiggle mode. This saves the new location. If music still won't appear, make sure it's not hidden by screen time restrictions, re-download the app from the App Store, or search via Spotlight. As a last resort, reset the home screen layout in Settings. Note this rearranges all icons, so use it only if placement errors persist and you need a clean slate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.